Hey guys, welcome to day 21 of our Mastering AutoCAD Electrical series. In previous videos, we learned how to draw and measure objects. Today, we are going to learn how to annotate your drawings with dimensions so that anyone can read and build from your design. We'll cover different dimension types and see where each one is used. So, let's get started. First of all, you may ask why dimension matter. So, if we have learned engineering drawing in your engineering classes also, you must have known how to give dimension and the importance of dimension. In electrical and engineering drawing, it's not enough to draw shapes or design. You must communicate sizes and position clearly to whomever uh, that is going to execute your design in the field. So AutoCAD gives us many dimensions types to handle different scenarios. Each one has a purpose. Let's go through them one by one. So first of all, let us draw a bunch of shape and shapes. So I'll draw a line here, L line. So here is a line. Then I will draw another vertical line like this. Escape, and I will draw another line that will be a slanted line like this. This is a slanted line. Escape. Let me draw angle like this. So this is going to be an angle, and now let's draw some shapes. For example, rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Then let us draw circle. So here you go, it's a circle. And let's draw an arc, arc like this. This is your arc. Now let's give dimensions to each of these flowing. So to give dimensions, you have to go to your ribbon and go to annotate. Here you can see annotate and just click on annotate, and here on the dimension tab you can see this, and when you click on drop down, you can see different annotation: linear, aligned, angular, arc length, and we will be going to use every one of these in this video. So to annotate this dimension of this line, we can simply go here and go to linear and select one point and then its end point like this, and you can place these dimensions in appropriate position. Let's just below the line, and here you go. When I zoom in, the dimension is being correctly shown. This line's length is 20.5872, and it's properly being shown with these line segments and the arrows. Now if we go to vertical line, we can all simply do that by just clicking here in the linear and specifying the two endpoints, and like this. Now the distance of this line is in your drawing like this, 14.0907. Now similarly, if there is a slanted line, and when you go to this linear line and select the endpoints like this will give either the distance of a base or the perpendicular distance like this, not the actual length of this line. It's giving either the height or the base. So to get the actual distance of this line, you simply have to go to uh, aligned option and click on it and select like this, and let me put in it in this position. Now you can see here 17.3631 is the actual length of this line. So you can also use linear and get the mm, distance of the, let's say, base or height. These are also imported in some of your drawing situation. But if you want the actual length of the aligned line, you have to use the aligned option. Now similarly, to get the angle between the angle, to annotate the angle between these two lines, you simply have to go here and go to angular option. And when you click on the angular option, and you have to select the first line, and you when you select the second line, now you get the angle between these two lines in your drawing. So 42 degrees is the angle between these two lines, and it will be annotated in your drawing, which will be easier for any supervisor to execute in the field. Simply click on it, and here you go, 42 degrees is set on. Now for arc, if you want the length of the arc, you have to simply go to here and go to arc length, and simply click on the select the arc, and simply select on the endpoints, and here you can get the arc length 42.8482. So this is the arc length. Suppose you want this arc length to be properly displayed. Let me just Control Z. I undo the command. Now I have to simply go to arc length and select the object, and like this I can move the cursor to simply show the annotation like this. And here my arc length of 42.8482 is visible here, like this in my drawing. Now for circle, I may want the radius, or let's say diameter. For radius, I simply have to go to the radius, and simply select the arc or a circle. It is applicable for arc also, but we are going to use this on the circle. Simply click on the circle you want, and then you click on the, now it's actually showing the radius, and you can just simply put where you want the annotation. Let me put the annotation here, and you can see here the radius of this circle is 11.6512, and it will be shown on your design. Now similarly you can get that diameter also. You can just select the arc and diameter, and here you go, specify the dimension. Okay, now my diameter has been shown. Now I can simply put this annotation wherever I want. Let me put this annotation in this. The annotation is put on the basis of your drawing convention, and here you go, the 23.3023 is the diameter of this circle. Similarly you can use jogged annotation like this, and you have to simply specify the center to your right, and jogged jogged annotation of showing the radius will be shown like this. It's also a pretty much a cool feature. Now you have another one, that is coordinates. It will show x and y coordinate of the of any point. So I want the x and y coordinate of this in point. I'll just select here, and I will extend here, and here you go, this is this 42.534 is the x coordinate. Similarly, if I want the y coordinate, I can simply go to ordinate here, and I can specify the endpoint, and like this I can see the y coordinate. This is not the y coordinate, I think. Is this the y coordinate? I'm a bit confused. Let me try that again, and delete and ordinate, and simply specify, and I want y datum. For y coordinate, I simply have to enter y and press enter. So this now is showing y coordinate. 42.53 is my y coordinate. So if I want x coordinate, I simply want to type x and press enter. Now this is my x coordinate. 7.179 is my x coordinate. So this was for today. Hope you learned how to annotate your design and drawing to make the communication easier. The day 21 assignment is given in the link below in the description. Hope you like the video. uh, do the assignment, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any problem, you can just comment down below. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.